I want to congratulate you on learning how to set up a learning management system website with Lifter LMS. You've created something beautiful with beautiful courses and an engaging student experience. Now, let's head on over to the Lifter LMS website and show you how to get even more out of Lifter LMS. Here I am on the pricing page, and Lifter LMS has four basic plans. There's something for everybody here. We've got the core plugin, which is free and more powerful than what many companies charge you for. So if you're not already using that, go ahead and get that. Other than that, we have these three bundles. The Infinity Bundle contains everything we make. The Earth Bundle contains all the things you need to add automated e-commerce to your site. And the Universe Bundle contains all the e-commerce stuff and also all our integrations and design tools. The Infinity Bundle contains all that and all of our advanced features. And you can just scroll down here on the pricing page and you can get a detailed comparison of what's in the different plans. Another benefit, if you want unlimited sites with your license, you can get that with the Infinity Bundle. So that's it. Congratulations on building your learning management system with the best, most powerful, customizable learning management system for WordPress called Lifter LMS. You can get the free plan. You can get individual add-ons if you like. You can save big with the bundle. You can always upgrade later if you like. So head on over to lifterlms.com and choose the plan that makes the most sense for you. We're also here for you, so if you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.